Miss Reg kasi, she does that by embracing her position in the industry to give back sa community at sa mga bahagi ng industriya. And kung wala pong Asia's Songbird na si Miss Regine Velasquez, baka wala pong Sarah Geronimo sa industriya nito. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, si Miss Reg, I consider her as talagang gold standard sa pagiging mahusay ng mga awit. Si Miss Reg hindi lang sa bansa natin nag-soar, kundi she's known all over the world. Isa sa mga hinahangaan ko kay Miss Reg is how she is able to embrace her position in the industry to inspire the youth to become a role model for the younger generations. And not only with singing, no, but her professionalism. I would always hear from her, respect each other's time. So, ayaw niya yung nalilate. Talagang mas lalo pa nadagdagan yung respeto ko para sa kanya at pagmamahal ko para sa kanya. Her professionalism and her artistry, kung paano niya talagang pinangalagaan yun, sobra kong hinahangaan yun.